Hey everybody, it's been 13 days, it says, since my last post, my last video, and I think a lot of that has to do with the fact, excuse me, I have hiccups right now. That's not the reason. I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that sometimes I just don't feel super inspired. I work on some other some other stuff here and there. Still fully working on the podcast with Mercedes called Hit Eject. Excuse me. Great time to have hiccups. But Mercedes and I have been working on this podcast for over a year now. We try to post weekly, and it's most of the time that way. But I kind of just wanted to talk and maybe play a little bit. Maybe I'll do one of those what do I call it? What do I call it? I forgot what I called it now. Wow, what a great video this has become already with my my hiccups and all that. Improv. My improv C, G, A minor, F. And I'm gonna just start singing a song. Are you ready? Excuse me. 1, 2, 3. Kyrie Rose is walking into the room. Say hello, Kyrie Rose. Kyrie Rose is watching her tablet. It's pretty cool. Say hello. Kyrie, turn around and look over my shoulder. Say hello. Say hello. And everyone knows that everything is so wonderful. Wonderful. Haven't posted in a while, I know, but I want to show you I care. Somehow. Man, these hiccups are crazy. But anyway, I just want to thank you for being here and subscribing. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in. If you want me to just talk to the camera or try something, or anything of that nature. I love doing music stuff. I love doing video game stuff. But I just want something that you will also enjoy. Anyway, let me know, and I will see you next time. Kyrie, say bye.